Cluster. I hardly know her. Welcome to Cluster Truck. So, it's a game I'm aware of, and I have played before. But, I'll tell you what happened. So, I recorded me playing some of this game, right? All good, all went well, enjoyed myself, had a laugh, lovely. Then, look back at the recording, and the music was louder than my voice. I don't want to be big-headed here, but without some context to what's happening and my excellent commentary, it wasn't really what I was looking for. So I've logged into a guest account, so the game's completely reset. It's been a little while since I played it again, but yeah, let's go for it. Enjoyed it last time. Let's do it again. Right, play. Campaign. Here we are in the desert. Start? Here we go. Right, so yeah, when I played it through the first time, I kind of got an idea of some of the basics, you know, the movement and the controls sort of thing. First level, easy peasy, no problem. Right? Oh, actually, what I'm going to do, quickly, is this. Is learn from my mistakes. No. Oh God, I didn't mean to do that. There it is. Right. Hang on. Haha. Music master. Right. Let's turn that right down. Play campaign level 2. Here we go. So yeah, as the level's gonna go on, gets a little bit harder and harder each time. At this level, really, it's just kind of getting used to the basics. And you could probably just sit on one van and be absolutely fine and make it to the end, no problem. But yeah, it's when the levels get more difficult that this game is so much fun. Oh God! See, although I've played it through before, can't remember the levels, and that's the truth. Oof. Roblox. Never played that game. I'm aware of the meme culture. Oh God! That was embarrassing.
Whoa! Here we go! Let's go! Oh, Mario!
Okay, I remember this one. You gotta really run, because maybe it's not the one I'm thinking of. No, it's not. He went the wrong way. Oh God, I went the wrong way. I really should look where I'm going. Lesson for any drivers out there. Look where you're going. Eyes are important when driving. I know you've maybe tried driving with your eyes closed. Come on. Eyes closed many a times. Not ideal. Not a great idea, you know? No. You would fail your test that way. Oh, God. Here we go. Lovely. Bish. Bash. Done. Easy. Go. Oh, my God. I don't want to, big up my... Oh, I didn't know you could jump off rocks. Well, that's a new development. I don't like to big up my own boots here, but I'm pretty much a master at this game. You know, you might be able to tell. First time. You might be able to tell, but you know, I have a nickname in the cluster truck community, and that's Jesus. Can I say that? I don't know. In all honesty, can I compare myself to a religious figure like Jeebus? Should I maybe say his name correctly? Probably. So yeah, this is one thing. A lot of the time, you can just overcomplicate it and jump too much, because it's fun. But sometimes, if you just stay patient and sit on one van, you're gonna make it. Not like that. You gotta get lucky. There's no consistency in this game. You know, the trucks aren't the same 2 times in a row. It is luck sometimes. You just got to get a good run of it. I need to be smarter, that's what I need to be, but... Oh, God, why am I struggling on this now? Michael's concentrating. Here we go. Oh, right, there we go. A little bit of patience. Ooh-wee. Oh, God, I thought I failed then. Here we go. Who did this? Why are we doing? What the people in these vans need really is well, eyes, yes, and maybe not to consume alcohol the night before, but also a sat nav. You know, sat navs, you get a much quieter route than this. Look at the carnage. Also, why are we in a desert? Why are we in a desert? Hey, I'm not okay with this. It's so dry. I'm not really moving anymore. Okay. Oh my god, I fucking fell backwards. Oh my god, what am I doing? I need to look where I'm going. Clean my glasses. Speed. Right, I'm going to speed this one. I feel like... Not like that. I'm going to speed this one. Oh, what am I doing? Right, here we go. I'm just going to sit here for a bit until things go pear-shaped. I think I might be already too late for that. If I... Oh my god, right, hang on. I'm really gonna just have to do this now. Concentrating. Oh! I'm okay, and I don't have an anger problem. But what I will say is there's a massive pulsating vein down the front of my forehead and beads of sweat running between my arse crack. Yes, of course. Go on. Come on. Go on. Yes! Oh, God, I took my hand off the controller. No! I'm sweating. Oh god. Why did... Come on, someone come through. You. That's what I need. There it is. Right, smooth running here now. If this guy fucks this up, I'm going to be absolutely fuming. Simple. Look at that. This might have been... Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I didn't realise you had to jump there at the end. That could have been bad. I would have been so accurate. Oh god, yeah. Oh, look at you. Aren't you fucking fantastic, aren't you? Yeah, well done. Yeah, you spin... Oh, hang on. Right, hang on. Gotta really get my eye in here. Just like that, you see. I thought it'd miss me. You no! This game brings out the worst in me, but it brings out some unusual noises that I would only ever make maybe in a bedroom. There's a lot of moisture in the air, and oh yeah, cool, lovely, and in my trousers. Yeah, right. Interesting, indeed. Yes. This one. Let me look through these. Gives the player a second jump. The extra jump is recharged when player touches ground. The ground or the bands? Trucks. That's the name. A quick air dash that is perfect for closing short gaps. Okay. And how many points have I got? 16,000. So I can afford this one. A watch that slows down, being a perfect invention, is likely to stabilise the universe when used. I like the look of double jump. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that'll be helpful. Did I? Oh, I did get it. Okay, cool. Oh, I did this one. Hang on. So where am I now? Forest. Right. Okay, we're out the desert. Got a little bit of moisture in the air now. Dry off my balls. Why is a green vape? Snoop Dogg, come back! There's a lot of 420 happening in these trucks. Yeah, bro. 420 blaze it. Yeah. I'm cool because of that. 420 is a time and a number, and associated with the smoking of marijuana. Go. Billy!
What
the fuck? Why are you? Where are you going? Onto you, onto you, onto you, onto you. Damn it! Fucking penis. It's really hard to control when you're in the air. It's kind of hard to judge or exactly... Oh, I've got the double jump. I've completely forgot about that. Yeah, that would probably help. This van is not on its wheels. You. Done. Do I have a smooth running here? Cool runnings? Am I a Jamaican bobsleigh team? I am. Love that. Oh, where are you going, son? That's the 420 in effect there. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't watch this video, kids. Okay, they're coming the other way. Up. Oh, God. Oh, goodness. That was not a leap. I'm a white basketball player. Can I say that? Maybe. Oh, God, Jesus. Oh, yeah, this, right. The sprint really sends you. Oh, yeah. Right. Jump. On you. Damn it. Hup. 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 Ha. Oh, you. No, Billy. I used to double jump there when I really didn't need to. I panic. Done. On you. Where am I going? Oh, God. On you, and then on you, and then you come back. Ah, God, getting tougher now, aren't they? The first level was a breeze compared to these penis suckers, fart munching, testicle walloping Tourette's. I don't have Tourette's. You may not believe that. Come on! Move out the way! Beep, beep! Oh, fuck's sake. I need to get near the front of them, I think. I need to get to the... Right, I'm jumping over there. And onto you. What?! I've been stuck on this for way too long now. 420. Okay, hang on. Listen to me. I will do this. Right, deep breaths. You, done, lovely, right. See, this is an absolute fucking mess here. I'm just gonna... Oh my God, what an absolute powerhouse, right? If I fuck up here... Up. On you. Yes! 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 I think I deserve a celebratory scratch of my balls. One hand on the control. Ooh, lovely. Oh, I'm flying. I'm walking in the air. I'm walking in something sky goal. Ah, right, okay. Can I jump over these? I can. Hang on. Let me try again. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Swag. Style. Swag. Call me MC Truck. Fucker! I'm not a truck fucker. Take it back. I'm not. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at her whap. Go on. Oh, I love that. See this... I was going to say that truck driver had some competence, but he clearly didn't. Okay, not too bad. What's this about? It's thin, I'll give you that. Ah, the floor's moving. Right, okay. You? Oh, you're joking me. Go, come on, son. Come on, give it some bite. Don't drive off the edge. You fucking moron. Catch me. Damn it. Up. Speed. 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 You. Right, okay. Not doing too badly. Not doing too badly. There's a tree there, Einstein. Okay. I think this. I'm in the clear here with this truck. He seems to. Yep, we're good. Oh, God, good stuff. Alright, what have we got? Up. Up. There's flying rocks, which I'm not a great fan of. Ah, here we go. You! Oh my god, I can't believe I did that first time! Oh my god! Oh my god! What did I tell you? 1 in 3 penises goes up and to the left. Fun fact. Wow. Not just a truck game, this education. You... Oh, fun. Oh, funny doodly oopsie doopsie. Why are you what are you doing? Huh? You, thank you. You, thank you. Lovely. Right, in the clear. Not going to take any risks here. Happy days. Daisy. Well, that was a bad start. Why did that tree explode? I have suspicions about that tree. It didn't treat me very well. Snoop Dogg's got a lot of truck work recently. Oh god. Who else smokes weed? What? Well, that's not fair, is it? Why does... global warming, eh? Don't let people tell you it's a myth. I think maybe that's an effect of global warming. I have no idea. You, come back! Reverse for me! Reverse! Oh my god, I'm getting good speed here. Okay, hang on. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Speed. I'm gonna need to beat those cliffs coming. Just banged it. Okay, hang on, nice and simple. Oh god. Right, nice and simple. Whoop! Total wipe out. Richard Hammond, be with me. Ding 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 ding. Oh my god. Get on the M25! What are you doing here? Huh? This isn't a road to be on. Who gave you this route? Who? Surely there's better ways to get to where you're going than this. We went through a desert, and now what is this? Are we delivering to Everest? Oh god. Ugh. Well, hang on. Right. Concentration. Don't say camp. Don't say it. I've done it. Fuck. Up. You is a program that is on Netflix at the moment, which I have not watched. Am I safe? I'm safe. Ha! Losers! You suck! Oh god! I deserved that. That's karma. Oh, wow. That's really tickled me, that. Come back! Thank you. Whew. I don't know why I jumped. I panicked. Where are you going? You. I was so close the first time. I just fucking decided to glow, and now I'm stuck here. I fell off. Right. Go with the flow. You are not going with the flow right now. Go with the flow. Humming bird. When was the last time I said a word that wasn't Why did I follow them ones? What am I doing? It's tired. I'm late. Hup. Hup. You. Don't betray me. Don't betray me. You were the chosen one, Anakin. You were the chosen one. You were meant to destroy the Sith, not join them. You were meant to just... Why are you taking me with you? Bad friends. Bad friends take you down with them. They don't support you. That truck was a bad friend. I hate you! Up. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I just get jump happy. Done. Up is a Disney film. You. How am I still alive? Oh my god, this might be it. This might be it. This might be it. Don't stack it. Don't stack it.
Why so serious? You wanna know how I got these trucks?
I do actually, yeah. Where the fuck did you get all these trucks? These white labelless trucks? Where are they even going? You. If I would have made that. Up. Sideways, square, left foot, right foot. Blue foot, green. Red foot, yellow. Red foot, yellow. Up. I'm struggling. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. Don't fuck me. It's not your fault. Don't you fuck with me, Shah. Not you. It's not your fault. Up. You. Right, okay. Just ride it. Let's just ride it. Why are you going to the left? Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, good stuff. I could do this bit nice and easy. It's just the next bit. All the cars seem to want to go to the left or the right. Hang on, I've got an idea. I need to go to the cars that are in the middle of this pack because they will definitely stay on. Right, oh my god, this might be it. How many times have I said that? This might be it. Where are you going? I'm staying with you. See, I jumped. I knew it was going to happen. Just land on you. Damn it! If I would have landed on him and jumped to the fucking complete, I would have fucking jizzed in my pants. Up. How long have I been on this level? How long? How long? How many people need to suffer? Press F for to respect. Okay, here we go. We're good. We're good. You. Don't fuck with me. You. No! He crashed! He crashed! Oh, why you come up fast? You no see me? I hit my head on the car! Is it bleeding? Is it bleeding? Up! Hop! My neighbours hate me. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. I can, yeah, ooh-wee, I'm shriveled up right now. I'm shriveled. I'm flaccid. Oh, I'm really sorry. But this isn't even a joke anymore. It's actually starting to piss me off. I'm moving my head in real life. This is how serious this has gotten. I need alcohol right now. Okay. Chill. 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 Chilly. Willy. Oh, this might be it. This might be it. I'm gonna jump just in case. Make it! No! 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 Oof! Oh no! Alright, hang on now. How long? Right, okay. Well, I'd done 20 maps last time I played this through, right? In 21 minutes. Okay? That's how long that recording was that was malfunctioned, right? I'm on 26 minutes. Now, I'm not this bad. I'm just can't do this, man. Right, okay, we're good. Right, I've got cars in front of me. One of you make it. Why do all the cars that I'm on crash? Answer me that. Okay. I need to land on something now. Yes! Get in! Oh! I had to go quiet there because I was struggling. Oh my god! Please don't be as hard as that. It wasn't even hard. I just kept fucking failing. Why are you doing that? Huh? Why are you falling? Why am I falling? Huh? Odds on. Stay on this. One truck. 1 to 2. 3, 2, 1, 1. Odds on doesn't really work when you do it by yourself, does it? I actually need to look. Okay. I'm safe. I'm going to get hit. Onto you. I'm safe. Where are you going? Into the eye of the storm. Where's that one going? Onto you. I'm safe. Where are you going? Wrong way, but it's fine. Oh my god. Oh, please don't. Please. Oh my god, it came out of nowhere and I almost made it. Okay, I think speed is key here. I've been wrong and I'll be wrong again. I think looking where I'm going is key, actually. Alicia Keys. New York. Concrete boulders on my way to kill me while I'm jumping on a truck. Double jump. Okay, I'm safe. Easy. I've done it. That big one there might be an issue. No, it's not. Never would be. Never would be. Oh, God. That might be an issue. I think overconfidence might be an issue also. Oh, my God. Matrix. Matrix. Happy. Happy. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like you want to. No, you suck. No, you suck. I'm crouching in real life. I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't believe you've done this. Where's my croissant? No! 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 Incorrect! Wrong answer! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jeebus. Oh. Okay, what's next? Winter. Okay, before I have a heart attack, I'm ending it there. The struggle was real. I'm sweating. I really am sweating right now. Oh, quite pungent. Pungent, yes. Thank you for watching. If anyone did, I'm enjoying making these videos. It's really, really good fun for me. If you did like it, any support or any feedback would be much appreciated. And I'll definitely be playing more of this game. It was good fun. Although a bit rage-inducing at times, good fun. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.